Morning student, here we're going to start a new chapter, that is understanding shapes, which includes polygon. Poly means many and gons means side. Now here you can see, this is a short introduction. You can see these figures, these are called curves. In geometry these are called curves, and these figures, as you can see, this is a open curve or a open figure. Here this is also a open figure because it is not closed from all the sides. This is a closed figure. Again this is a open figure and open figure, and this one is a closed figure. Now in our day-to-day life, the word curve means not a straight. However, in mathematics, a straight line is also called a curve. So curve means which is not a straight, and as you can see, these figures are called curves. This line is called curve because this is not a straight. Again, this is also a curve because this is not a straight. Now we have some open curve given above. You can see, as I told you, these are open figure or open curve, and these are closed curve. Now we have the another important thing. If a dots are drawn inside a closed curve, these lines are called interior. These lines are called interior points, and these points which are marked outside the open curve are called exterior points, and these points are called interior point. As you can see, Q1, P3, P2 and P1, these are called interior points. The interior of the curve together with its boundary is called its region. So this is the region of this curve, or you can say this closed figure. Now we are talking about polygon. So what is polygon? They have defined here. It is a closed plane figure bounded by a straight line segment. The line segment forming a polygon intersect only at endpoints, and each endpoint is shared only by only two line segment. Now this is a polygon. Poly means many and gons means side. So you can see this is a polygon figure, and this is closed from all the side. So this is a polygon. This is not a polygon because it has been intersected. This line is intersected at P. Again, this is also not a polygon, and this figure is also not a polygon. Now another important thing which you're going to study in this chapter is polygons. Now they have named some polygons. As you can see, triangle, this is a polygon because it is having more than two sides. So this is a polygon, and this polygon is named as triangle. Then we have quadrilateral. In quadrilateral we have rectangles and a square, rhombus, parallelogram, etc. This is a pentagon. Pentagon means having 5 sides. This is called hexagon, having 6 sides. This is called octagon, having 8 sides, and this is called decagon, having 10 sides. Now we have convex and concave polygon. So if each angle of a polygon is less than 180, it is called convex, and if it is more than 180, it is called concave polygon. We have nothing to do with convex and concave polygon. So we will consider the polygon as convex polygon only. We don't have to do anything with polygon, this convex and concave polygon. Then we have some of the angles of polygon. Now student, we have diagonal in the polygon. As you can see, this is a polygon 6.5 in which it is mentioned some of angles of polygon. So they have drawn a diagonal. Now this diagonal is dividing this figure into two triangle. Again in this pentagon there are two diagonals. Again it is dividing this polygon into 3 triangles. This one is dividing polygon into 4 triangles, and this one is dividing into triangle. There it is having 6 triangles with 8 sides. Now here you can see, here there are one diagonal, and it is having 4 side and 2 triangles, 5 side and 3 triangles, 6 with 4 triangles, and 8 with 6 triangle. Now you can see, if you just differences, if you just subtract sides from triangles, the difference is 2 everywhere. So with this we have concluded that polygon has n side, the number of triangle will be n minus 2, because if it is having n side, suppose it is having 4 sides, so it will be having 4 minus 2, that is 2 triangles. So if it is having n side, it will be having n minus 2. So sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. We have already studied this in class 7. Now sum of angles of n minus 2 triangle is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now sum of the angles of interior angle of a polygon with n sides will be n minus 2 into 180 degree, and we can also write like this. So the main important thing is this one, we have to use this formula everywhere. Now another thing is, if the side of a polygon are produced in order that the sum of the exterior angle so formed is always 4 right angle. Now student, the main important thing you have to notice that the sum of the exterior angle means the lines which are produced outside of the closed polygon. So as sum of the angles of the sum of the exterior angles of polygon is 360 degree. It is always 360 degree. Another important thing which you have to notice, the number of sides of polygon is always a natural and never a fraction, and the smallest number of sides of polygon is 3, which is a case of triangle. So smallest polygon is triangle. Another important thing you have to note is it possible to have a polygon the sum of whose exterior angle is 9 right angles. 9 right angles means 9 into 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree. Now here you can see, let the number of sides be n. The sum of its interior angle is 2n minus 4 into 90, or you can say n minus 2 into 180 degree. Both answer will be same in both the cases. The sum of its interior angle is this. According to the statement, you have to just write 2n minus 4 into 90 is equals to 9 into 90, because they have said 9 right angles. The interior angle is equals to 9 right angle, and we have already studied the formula. The sum of the angles of n minus 2 triangles will be this, which is given. So this is about the interior angle, and the sum of the exterior angle is 360, but we are talking about interior angle, so we will write 180 degree. We will just solve this. So we will get n as 6.5, which is not possible, because we have to get the answer in whole natural number. So this is not possible. So that is why it is said the number of sides of a polygon is always a natural number. You have to note this. It is a natural number and never a fraction. And smallest number of sides in a polygon is 3, which is the case of triangle. Now in this question they are talking about exterior angles, so they have solved this equation with the help of exterior angle, that is sum of the exterior angle, that is 360 degree, and then they have found the value of x and substituted it. The next question you can see in the example, one angle of a 7-sided polygon is 114 degree and each of the other 6 angle is x degree. You have to find the magnitude of x degree, means you have to find the value of x. Each of the other 6 angle is x. Sum of these 6 angle is 6x. So sum of the 7 angles will be this plus 6x. So you have to substitute the value in this. Now here n will be taken as 7 because they have said 7-sided polygon. So you will put the value of n is number of sides. So you will write instead of n you will write 7, and then you will substitute and get the value of x as 331. Student, this you can solve by this or you can solve by this.